5 times 5.
Oh, 25.
Good job. What's the capital of California?
I thought you were going to ask these after about...
What?
I thought you were going to ask this.
What's the capital of California?
Sacramento.
You want to turn your game off?
I thought it was Helena.
I don't want to eat that. I'm just gonna...
You're what?
I'm just gonna draw. Looks like this movie gas is turning on now. I can make my own lines while writing.
You can make your own lines while writing?
Can we sing the campfire song? Connor?
What's the capital of Montana?
This is so funny.
Oak Ridge?
Connor.
Hold on. Look. Dad, come here.
What's the capital of Montana?
Chippewa.
What is it?
It says Chippewa.
What's the capital of Montana? What's the capital of...
Dad, you better send this to your friends.
He's not going to send anything to his friend. What's the capital of Montana? There you go. Can you...
What's in my head?
What?
What's in my head?
Your box for the DS.
Oh, that was completely frozen.
C-E-M-P-F-I-R, yes.
Stop, you're embarrassing me. I farted.
What's the capital of Florida, Connor?
Tallahassee. Dad, are you filming me? Are you filming me?
Do you want to turn your DS off, or are you good? No, Connor, don't be walking. Don't. Sit down. Connor, sit down.
Why are you bubbly? Why are you bubbly? Seriously.
I told you it'd make you kind of dizzy. No, don't mess around. You'll be silly. You could hurt yourself.
I feel so weird when I get up.
No, don't be getting up and sitting down.
There's my balance.
What's the capital of...
Connor, sit down.
How are you doing? Don't get up.
No, sit down.
How are you doing? Do you have a DS? You like it?
Do you like
What's your favorite game?
What's your favorite game, Connor?
There's a Guitar Hero.
Ooh.
He doesn't have that for DS, though. Line Rider. You like Line Rider, right?
Yeah.
Are you
Ready to go back?
Whoa, nope, sit down.
Let's go back.
Okay.
Can you walk a little bit?
Daddy will carry it.
Oh, let's go get your teeth fixed.